Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify service performance with AWS, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify service performance with AWS, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Services menu. Select the service you want to analyze, like Amazon EC2 or Amazon RDS. Once the service dashboard opens, locate the Monitoring tab. Click on the Monitoring tab to view metrics related to your service performance. Identify the key metrics you want to evaluate, such as CPU usage or memory utilization. Use the graphs and charts to understand performance trends over time. Next, set CloudWatch alarms for critical metrics to receive notifications when thresholds are exceeded. To create an alarm, select the metric and click on the Create Alarm option. Configure the conditions for the alarm based on your performance needs. Set up notification channels, such as email or SMS, to stay informed. After your alarms are set, return to the dashboard to continue monitoring performance. If you require deeper insights, enable AWS X-Ray for services that support it. AWS X-Ray provides detailed analysis on requests and latency. Examine traces and their performance details within the X-Ray console. For ongoing performance appraisal, consider using AWS Cost Explorer to visualize spending-related performance metrics. Always review your metrics regularly to ensure services are performing optimally. Finally, document any changes or insights for future reference and continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.